Good morning students. Continuation of chapter 13, that is India's neighbor. In previous class we discussed tick the correct options, fill in the blanks and match the following. Today we will discuss exercise D, that is answer briefly, and exercise E, that is answer the following questions. Let's proceed ahead. First we will discuss exercise D, that is answer briefly. Let's see first question. Name India's southern neighbor in the sea. Answer is Sri Lanka is India's southern neighbor in the sea. Now coming second question. Which language is known as the mother of all languages? Answer is Sanskrit is known as the mother of all languages. Now coming third number. How do you know that India believed in the policy of peace since olden times? Answer is India has always followed a path of peace. History proves that India has never attacked any country for gaining territory. We maintain friendly relations with our neighboring as well as far away countries. Now coming question number 4. Mention two cities of India where Urdu is widely spoken. Answer is two cities are Hyderabad and Lucknow. Now coming question number 5. Draw our one similarity and one difference between Hindi and Urdu. Answer is similarity. Both Urdu and Hindi evolved from Sanskrit, the mother of all languages. And what are differences? Hindi is written from left to right in the Devanagari script, whereas Urdu is written right to left in Persian Arabic script called Nastaliq. Now we will discuss exercise A. Answer the following questions. Let's see first question. List India's immediate neighbors and the direction of their location in respect to India. Answer is Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China and Myanmar are our immediate neighbors. India shares boundaries with Pakistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. The island of Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the sea. Again I repeat answer. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China and Myanmar are our immediate neighbors. India shares boundaries with Pakistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. The island of Sri Lanka is our northern neighbor in the sea. Now coming question number 2. Highlight the similarities of dress between India and her neighbors. Answer is the similarities of dress between India and her neighbors are: first, sari and salwar kameez are the traditional dresses in both India and Pakistan. Sari is also worn in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Second point, the Mekhla Chadar of northeast India is similar to the dress of Nepal, Myanmar and China. Third point, the traditional dress worn in Ladakh and Bhutan is quite similar to the Hanfu of China. And last point, the man in both India and Nepal favor kurta pajama. Now coming question number 3. What do the cultural bond with our neighbors indicate? Answer is the similarities in the language, food and dress that we share with our neighboring countries highlight our cultural bonds. They act as a unifying bond even in the face of differences. Now coming question number 4. Give 2 suggestions that can improve our relations with our neighboring countries. Answer is 2 suggestions that can improve our relations with our neighboring countries are: we should never attack any country for gaining territory, and second, we should resolve mutual differences through peaceful means. Now coming question number 5. In your opinion, which are the 2 main issues of conflict between any 2 countries who share their borders? Answer is 2 main issues of conflict between any 2 countries who share their borders are as under. First, the border has not been clearly demarcated, and second, economic disparity. Now today's home assignment, learn and write these question answer. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.